Today we're going to do a little introduction to Pennsylvania for our social studies unit. So first we're going to look at a map of the United States, and we're going to zoom in to Pennsylvania, which is where we are. And then I want everyone to turn to the first page, and it says at the top, what I know about Pennsylvania. So I want you to take a couple of minutes and jot down some things that you already know about Pennsylvania. If you know a lot of things, that's good, and if you know only a couple, that's okay too. Just to kind of see how much you know for the rest of the unit. And then when you're done, you can just give a thumbs up. So everybody say one thing that they know about Pennsylvania. So since Kayla's still writing, we'll start over here with Ryan.
It was one of the original 13 colonies.
Kelly?
Its nickname is the Keystone State.
Correct.
But it's located next to Ohio.
Great Dane is the state dog.
So then the second page of our Keystone book says what I want to know about Pennsylvania. So I want you to take a couple of minutes and think about what you might not know about Pennsylvania, what you'd be interested in learning before time. Well, we're not going to go over those right now. I'm going to collect them at the end and use those later on. So the first map we have is a map of the counties in Pennsylvania. Does anybody know what county you live in currently? Kelly?
Mercer?
Correct. So I want everybody to get their pencil out and draw a little house in Mercer County because that's where you live. What other counties are around Mercer County that you can see? Emily?
Lawrence?
Lawrence County. Does everybody see Lawrence County? And are there any counties anywhere else in Pennsylvania that maybe you've heard of before? Either? Is right here. Are there any counties that you haven't heard of before? Something that's new to you today? Ashley?
Snyder?
And then, does anybody know how many counties there are in Pennsylvania? No? Okay, we're going to count them together. Okay. So I want everybody to number their counties as we count them all out together. 1, 2. So there are 67 counties in Pennsylvania. The next map we're going to look at is a map of the topography of the area. Does anyone know what topography is? Do a general definition. Ashley?
Is it the land and maybe how ripply or like how high or low it is?
Features that you could have in an area. Emily?
Mountains.
Mountains. Any other ideas? Kelly? Rivers? Ashley?
Plateaus.
Those are all examples, so you can have any of those. So what do you think the white lines represent on the map? Ashley?
County borders.
Counties. And then what do the blue lines represent on our map? Emily?
The rivers.
And then the last map we have is a map of the rivers in Pennsylvania. So we're going to locate our county, which is Mercer. So where is Mercer County on our map? Are there any rivers around Mercer County on our map? Which ones? Emily? Right here. Now, just looking at the whole state, what rivers have really, really long, hard to pronounce names? If anyone wants to come up, you can just circle it up.
You're asking for like a long one?
Yeah, one that has a really long name.
Okay.
West Branch, just so now we're going to look at the rivers that have really short names. So Jessica, do you want to find a river that has a short name? On this map there are 3 reservoirs. Can anybody find all 3? You can just circle that one. Emily, how about just circle one? Time-tuning reservoir. Anybody else find another one?
Good.
Allegheny Reservoir. And then the last one, Kelly. The Shenango Reservoir. So this just kind of gives you an idea of where you are in Pennsylvania and just some of the features that the rest of the state has. So, has anybody yet been to the other side of the state to visit? Ashley?
Yeah, I have been.
Yeah. Anybody else? No? Brian?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Well, to close our lesson today, and later a couple pages after the map in your packet, there is a page that looks like this that has lines on it. And I just want you to write down 3 things that you learned about Pennsylvania from our map activity, and I want you to make it at least 3 lines long. Actually, do you want to share yours? All 3 of them? If you just want to share one, that's fine.
Okay. I put that there are no reservoirs in eastern Pennsylvania.
Emily?
I said Pennsylvania has 3 reservoirs and 2 of them are University County.
Correct. Dan, do you want to share one of the things you wrote?
I put that I learned that there are 3 reservoirs in